Hello everyone and welcome to this very quick video. As most of my regular viewers will know, I've had my first two recipe books out for quite a while now, and I'd like to introduce you to the third recipe book. And just like books 1 and 2, this has lots of our favourite recipes from our work kitchens in it. The books are an ideal accompaniment to the videos on the YouTube channel and of course the website recipe pages, giving you the best possible chance to get the recipes to turn out just the way they're supposed to. And as in book 2, book 3 also has the extra feature of these amazing QR codes. All you have to do is to scan the code with your camera on your smart device and that'll take you instantly to the corresponding video on YouTube. Absolutely amazing. The new book 3 is available in the website shop. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you can simply click on the eye icon top right of your screen and that'll take you directly to the website shop. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel everyone, it really is much appreciated. And by popular demand, my next video will be this fantastic steak and kidney pudding recipe, and this delicious mouth-watering recipe will be coming very soon.